probably the most important communication priority for a company that's restructuring itself is to have a clear, effective plan that they can explain to people in plain English and address all the various stakeholders. They need to let people know what's lying ahead. They need to know that they have a vision. They need to know that they're prepared to address the difficult situations, and that no matter how tough the road goes, no matter how tough it's going to be, they're going to be clear in their message, honest in their approach, that they're going to try to solve problems with integrity, and they're going to let people know where they stand. Well, Dodd-Frank hasn't really impacted the process at all now. It will. And it will, depending upon the industry you're in. And for the financial services industry, for sure, if you followed all of the resolution authority rules that are being developed for Dodd-Frank over the next several years, you're going to have almost a parallel system to the bankruptcy code if it's actually the resolution authority that Congress has established is actually used. And so you arguably might never have a Lehman Brothers again, in the sense that having that case transacted in a bankruptcy court. I think that's actually a real problem because I think that stakeholders understand how to deal with the bankruptcy code. I think they have experience with it. I think there's some degree of certainty to how claims are adjusted in that environment. Everything that goes on has an impact. If in fact a particular piece of legislation affects the company that you're working with, it will have an effect. I don't know that there's going to be broad effects. I mean, the fact is when I was involved in restructuring Kmart Corporation, we received 78 whistleblower letters in the course of that restructuring. More, I think, than any other company had in the first 6 or 8 months of its public restructuring. And that led to a series of investigations that we were involved in because you take those letters seriously. When you represent a fiduciary, when you work with directors and officers that care about the future of the company, you pay attention to what people have to say, and you pay attention to whistleblower letters. So I don't know that Dodd-Frank's going to change that equation in any large respect at all.